So has anyone ever had their rear seat in a Highlander or a Kluger, Toyota Kluger, stuck down like this and you can't lift it up? You grab the lever and you try to pull it and it's stuck. Doesn't matter how hard you push it, nothing happens. Well, that's what we had. So you have to use a Phillips head screwdriver to undo the little screws that are in here, take them off. This has already been done. There's some little parts of the cover have to be lifted off. Usually a nice flat screwdriver will do it. Sorry about that. Okay, you can see what they were. They were popped into these little holes. You just have to get them off. And here, if you look, when you've got the mechanism moving, try and move it, it's trying to pull that forward. Somewhere in there, it's stuck. So what I did was, I just got my screwdriver, gave it a tap like that, you heard it click, and that has unlocked the mechanism, and now the seat lifts back up again. Click down. So if it goes down too far, apparently it will get locked like that, but now it's all good. Then you just have to put all the bits and pieces back together again. So it's actually a pretty simple fix. Hope this helps some people.